When we are lost, our minds often make us think that no one will be there for us forever. We all believe that whatever we do for others will eventually come back to us. In every situation, there are many people we can help, and when we help them, we are there for them when they need us. But sometimes, while trying to find our own path, many difficulties arise. Until we find the right path, we need to keep trying. Finding your own path means living for yourself, enjoying your own company, building self-confidence, talking to yourself, and thinking about yourself, and finally, being ready for whatever comes next. Just thinking about life, this is a short story I wanted to share with you all. I was sitting alone at the station, watching people around me, running and walking in their own worlds. Some of them were just standing and thinking. As I sat there, I saw a boy waiting for someone. After a few minutes, the person he loved arrived. He held her and kissed her on the forehead. It was a really caring and beautiful moment. Seeing them reminded me of one of my own memories. But memories remain only memories. They cannot always be turned back into reality. Sometimes life teaches us lessons in the quietest moments. Sitting alone and watching the world move around you makes you realize how everyone is fighting their own battles. Some people are smiling, some are rushing somewhere important, and some are simply lost in their own thoughts. In those moments, you understand that life never stops for anyone. It keeps moving, whether we are ready or not. Being alone at times is not a bad thing. It gives us a chance to understand ourselves better. When no one is around, we start listening to our own thoughts, our fears, and our dreams. That silence slowly builds strength inside us. It teaches us how to stand on our own feet again and believe in ourselves. Memories, however, have a strange power. They can bring a smile to our face and pain to our heart at the same time. Sometimes we wish we could go back and relive those beautiful moments, but life does not work that way. The past stays behind us, and the only thing we can do is learn from it and keep moving forward. Maybe one day, when we least expect it, life will surprise us again with new people, new memories, and new happiness. Until that day comes, the journey is about finding peace within ourselves, trusting the process, and believing that every difficult path eventually leads to a better destination. As I kept sitting there, watching the trains arrive and leave, I realized how similar life is to a railway station. People come into our lives, stay for a while, and then leave to follow their own journeys. Some goodbyes are expected, and some happen without any warning. No matter how much we wish someone would stay, sometimes their train simply arrives earlier than ours. In that moment, I understood that love is not always about staying together forever. Sometimes love becomes a memory that quietly lives inside our hearts. It teaches us how deeply we can feel for someone, and how strong we must become when they are no longer part of our everyday life. There are nights when those memories return unexpectedly. A small moment, a familiar place, or even a simple scene like the one at the station can bring everything back. You smile for a second, and then your heart feels heavy because you know those moments belong to the past. But life still moves forward. The same station that once reminded me of loss also reminds me that new journeys begin every day. Maybe one day someone else will walk into my life the way that girl walked towards that boy. Maybe another beautiful story will begin without me even realizing it. Until that day comes, I will keep walking my path, learning from my memories, carrying the love that once existed, and believing that every ending is quietly preparing us for a new beginning. Sometimes there are thoughts in our mind that we just can't express to anyone. We start feeling low and don't fully understand what's going on around us or within us. Even when we do know the reason, it can still feel overwhelming and depressing. But it's okay to feel this way sometimes. Life isn't always easy. We just need to accept our emotions, be patient with ourselves, and remember that this feeling won't last forever. Feel it, accept it, and trust that it will pass.